It's certainly a beautiful night for baseball as the Madison Mallards take on the Kalamazoo Growlers here in Madison. But it's more than a baseball game tonight. Madeline O'Neill.
Charlotte, the Mallards are paying tribute to the Milwaukee Bears, the 1923 Negro League team tonight, with a part of the game's proceeds going to the Urban League of Greater Madison. They're also partnering with Unity Point Health Meriter for a unique way to get more vaccines out. The familiar sights and sounds of a baseball game
Raffle tickets!
feel new after the pandemic.
Sport, hope, and a future.
This game is a bit different.
We're paying tribute to the Milwaukee Bears that played in the Negro Leagues in Milwaukee in 1923. We'll be wearing the vintage style uniforms with the nice hats.
Along with a unique pitch to get people vaccinated.
We kind of landed on this idea of let's bring together a cool promotion that's fun and interesting and use the Great Dane Duck Blind as an incentive to hopefully get people to vaccinate. You know, there's a big group of people here on the north side of Madison specifically that we wanted to target.
We've heard of lottery vaccine incentives, so why not baseball?
I've done vaccines in some interesting places, like not a baseball game, this is the first.
During this game, Mallards fans who get a COVID-19 vaccine get into the Great Dane Duck Blind for free, as health officials work to cover their bases, meeting people where they're at.
So we have Johnson & Johnson here, just trying to engage in conversation. I think that's what really helps people the most, is not to pressure them, but to just engage in a dialogue. It's Pfizer.
If more people aren't going to get vaccinated, it's really a little terrifying, which it's hard to think about.
Unity Point Health Meriter's intensive care unit is being honored too, with nurse manager Marjana Schumann throwing the first pitch.
And this just means a lot to our team.
She knows it takes a team effort to keep everyone safe.
We really don't want to be back to where we were last fall.
And healthy enough to enjoy a good old baseball game.
There's an end in sight. You can get vaccinated, and that will solve so much of this.
Vaccinators didn't have a specific goal tonight, saying even one vaccination is progress, along with just getting information out. Now, if you want to catch a Mallards game, they are at home this weekend.